Hi Mr. Hudstand, thank you very much firstly for the very generous donation. It is much appreciated. Right, this morning I got onto Electrolux and I've managed to get you the workshop manual on your heat pump tumble dryer. You have model number EDH97941W and you did send me the PNC number, which makes a world of difference when it comes to getting the correct information. Right, error code 62 is related to the compressor fault. A compressor fault can occur because the cutout on the compressor may have become faulty. You may have a faulty compressor. You could have a possible wiring fault coming from the printed circuit board going to the compressor, or it is possible that you have a circuit board error. Now, if you go to page 39 on the link I've put on this video in the description, there is a link that will take you through to a web page that not only has the workshop manual for you with all the test procedure and also exploded diagrams of the whole machine. And I've also found additional wiring diagrams to assist you as well. The problem being, without me being in front of the machine, it is very hard for me to diagnose the problem for you. But I've managed to gain all this information for you, and there is a link at the top of the page to any spare parts that you need. I've also put some relevant videos on the page with regards maintenance on tumble dryers, as people do not do enough maintenance, especially on heat pump tumble dryers. The evaporators and the condensing unit can build up with a lot of fluff over a period of time. This can cause overheating problems and the compressor running for too long a period, which could cause it to overheat. Anyway, I've put all this information on the web page for you, and as I said, the link is in the description below. Do take your time going through the workshop manual to read all the test procedures that are in there. At the page 45, somewhere around there, there are test procedures to follow, which may help you in diagnosing the problem. It is also worth trying to clear the error code that is stored in the memory before you run the test procedure to see if that clears the error, because you have said that you have replaced a thermostat on there already, but until we actually start the test procedure with a clear memory on the circuit board, it is very hard to diagnose the problem exactly. So do take your time going through this workshop manual and understanding how the machine is not only constructed, the way it's put together so you can access everything correctly, but do take your time going through the test procedures. Good luck with your repair. Have a great Christmas. And again, thank you very much for the generous beer donation.